Hi guys, Adam live from Future Interior Linings. We've got a commercial and residential side of our business. A lot of our business, we do renovations, large renovations, high-end builds, architectural dream homes, you could say. This project here, we're in Ascot with WS Renovations. We do a fair bit of work for these guys, and it's a large renovation, house raise and extension. This is probably one of our most exciting builds to date. There's lots of curved walls and massive skylight, as you can see behind me. Lots of challenging aspects of this project. We've got a couple of guys, multi-skilled guys. We've got framers and sheeters and setters. Most of our guys can do everything. We do a bit of ornamental cornice as well. A lot of custom stuff. A few of our clients like to push the boundaries and do different things. So I'll work with an ornamental cornice company and have some custom things made, as we have done on this job here. Introduction to Pro Plaster was word of mouth through a couple other plasterers that we do work with. We started off using their bases and their topping. The 4T was the one we started using. Over time we decided to make the change from our other suppliers to use all Pro gear. We've been using Pro's gear now for probably about 5 years. We're using their tools as well, even their delivery service. You get a pallet load of gear or half a pallet load of gear delivered to site whenever you need it. Reasonably cheap as well. So yeah, so we use all their gear on all our projects, and we'll continue using it. We use their products because they work. The finish that we get from the 4T, we get a quality job. I recommend Pro to anyone. Even my guys, sometimes my guys are doing cash jobs, so they use the Pro stuff. Anyone, there's good prices on their materials, on their equipment as well. So yeah, I'd recommend it to anyone.